A video showing a cart being pushed by donkeys on a road as drums are playing in the distance has gone viral on social media. Also visible are other individuals pushing the vehicle from behind. The person named Raj Kumar, a resident of Udaipur, being unhappy with the behavior of the Hyundai car showroom management, found a unique way to express his protest. By pulling his new car with donkeys, Raj Kumar reached the Hyundai showroom and demonstrated his protest against the company's showroom and the behavior of its employees. According to Raj Kumar, he had bought the second top model of a Hyundai Creta car for about 18.50 lakh Indian rupees, but within 1 to 1.5 months after buying the car, it kept getting defects one after the other. The limit was reached when his car stopped at his in-laws' house at the time of his own engagement. When the car broke down at Raj Kumar's in-laws' house, he called the company and asked them to take the car. But the company expressed its inability to take the car, stating the time from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. After this, Raj Kumar's temper reached sky high, and on the very next day, he reached the Hyundai showroom by pulling his car with donkeys. When Raj Kumar took the car to the showroom, by pulling it with the help of donkeys, the showroom people refused to take the car inside and closed the doors of the showroom. He hired 2 donkeys and drummers to transport the car to the showroom. The incident gained widespread attention after going viral on social media. What do you think about this? Tell us in the comments section. Thank you.